Guys, in this video, I will be doing a technical analysis as far as predicting prices of some of our favorite cryptocurrencies. I will also be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade alerts. If you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different crypto, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak, when we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold your position. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade alerts, because we've made a lot of money. Guys, it doesn't matter if you only have $50, $100, or $200 to invest. I've seen successful patrons start with that amount time and time again. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the description, where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. And guys, smash that like button if you love Dogecoin. It really does help out the channel. And guys, tell me, what is your price prediction for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin just by the end of this year? Guys, some huge news. Ethereum hard fork update is actually scheduled to be released this Thursday. I thought it was the 4th based on all the news reports. However, this is still really good news, and I'm going to be keeping you guys up to date on the Patreon, so if you haven't gotten in already on a dip, a very steep dip for Ethereum, look out for that trade alert, because I'm going to be letting you guys know when to get out just before this update happens. Guys, Ethereum is literally my biggest holding, besides Dogecoin. I have such confidence in Ethereum because of its use case and because so many crypto experts, including myself, expected to hit $20,000, $30,000 just by the end of this year. Guys, I'm sure as you've already noticed, this Ethereum update coming out is actually causing the crypto market to suck a lot of money from Bitcoin and put it into Ethereum. And that's why we haven't been seeing Dogecoin or other altcoins pump as much as we usually do, because people are so focused on Ethereum with the hard fork update coming out, which allows it to be deflationary and a lot of other awesome updates. This particular update will inevitably allow for Ethereum to have longevity in the crypto market space. And guys, a lot of the fake news and FUD that we've been seeing as far as market manipulation was all surrounding the new crypto tax bills, but they have been put to the wayside currently, and you don't need to worry about those for now. And because this proposed bill was shot down, we have seen cryptos rebound a bit ever since. Guys, big banks, big money, the whales, they're all trying to suppress Bitcoin. And I think this fake FUD news about tax bills was only to get Bitcoin's price down. After 11 green days, that was a huge streak for Bitcoin. However, the people shorting Bitcoin didn't want this to happen, and that's their reason for putting the FUD out there. There's no huge sell-offs, but we are seeing a small correction in the marketplace currently, which means we are still on our brand new bull run. Guys, the Twitter user Sentiment just put out a tweet that says, Bitcoin large addresses continue to show interesting patterns in how supply distributions are changing over time and the amount of addresses fluctuating in each tier. 10 to 1,000 Bitcoin addresses are at their highest point since April. So there are wallet addresses with a specific amount of Bitcoin in them. What we are seeing on those addresses is that the amount of Bitcoin that is being held is rising, as well as the amount of money in total that these investors are making off of the Bitcoin investment. And guys, historically, when we've seen this type of data, the bull run begins any second. Guys, just a week ago, don't forget, Bitcoin was at 29,000, Ethereum at 1,700. So guys, these are huge numbers to see in a very short period of time. And that's how my patrons have been making so much money. Guys, for the longest, we weren't able to break 42,000 on Bitcoin. However, we were just able to break that. These are huge milestones, and the rest of the cryptocurrency likes to move up along with Ethereum and Bitcoin. Guys, here very soon we are about to take off again, because we are in our second phase of the second bull run. Guys, our fear and greed index was in neutral, however it is headed into the greed once again. And this is because the tax regulatory FUD is now behind us and cryptos are now pumping once again. People are getting greedy. don't just get greedy and buy on the uptrend. Then you'll regret it. You'll have FOMO. You want to get in at those steep dips when I call them out. Guys, don't forget, Dogecoin lags behind sometimes. That's okay. A couple days later, it surprises us and it pumps hard. Don't be surprised if you wake up and Dogecoin is pumped 10, 20, 30%. Guys, it's completely normal and to be expected. I believe that Dogecoin is starting to decouple from Ethereum, from Bitcoin, and become far more independent. And guys, this only cements my stance that I believe Dogecoin will become the #1 cryptocurrency eventually. Guys, I am so bullish for Dogecoin, it wouldn't bother me if it went down to 14, 15 cents. I would still hold and hold with diamond hands because I know Elon Musk and a lot of others have some really good stuff, some fundamental catalysts in the works for Dogecoin for the near future. Guys, it's always good to diversify nonetheless. Even if you have all your holdings in Ethereum or Bitcoin, I wouldn't do that. Those are some of the most stable coins. However, it's never a good thing to have all your eggs in one basket. Buy the dip on a lot of different altcoins so that you can diversify your portfolio and that you make a lot of money on average in the long run, or short term depending on your investment strategy. Guys, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. On our Ethereum charts, we are currently getting a double bottom. We are seeing green candlesticks moving upwards currently because, as I've told you previously on this channel, when we get a double bottom, it is a very bullish symbol, and we generally have a breakout to the upside just after that. Guys, this means we might break our level of resistance with Ethereum, or we might come down and then have a triple bottom, which is even more bullish with an even bigger boost to the green. Guys, it wouldn't surprise me if we started to see a cool down period, a bit of a correction, because we've had a 13-day streak for green days on Ethereum. Guys, my realistic price prediction for Ethereum is at least $10,000, likely up to $20,000 just by the end of this year. And guys, that's up to 5x gains, and that's incredible. That's my more conservative conjecture. And that is far better than any stock in the stock market as far as profits. Guys, my price prediction for Bitcoin is $100,000 to $130,000 just by the end of this year. And guys, I consider that to be conservative. We are a bit more bearish on the Bitcoin charts currently just because people are putting a lot more money into Ethereum from Bitcoin because of this hard fork update. Guys, and on the Dogecoin charts, we got rejected at 19 cents. We're headed down, so you want to be ready for me to call that dip on the Patreon. We are currently in a downtrend for Dogecoin. As you can see, we're headed down, so this is the perfect time to accumulate at these low numbers, especially because we will inevitably have a reversal here very soon and have a breakout to the upside. Guys, and if Bitcoin hits 100,000, Ethereum hitting $10,000 or $20,000 just by the end of this year, it wouldn't surprise me if Dogecoin hit 50 cents, $1, or even up to $2, and that's my conservative prediction. Especially with this Ethereum bridge to Dogecoin coming out for an update, this wouldn't surprise me. Guys, with the huge Dogecoin movement, the crypto supply shortage, and a lot of other fundamental catalysts, none of these predictions are really out of the question. And guys, if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you haven't yet joined my Patreon, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable, and it's in the top pinned comment. That's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold your position. And guys, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the description where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, thank you so much for watching my daily Dogecoin uploads, and I'll see you tomorrow.